Now for this, we're gonna have to use the YouTube mobile app. Then go to your channel and then go to Shorts. Now once you do that, you just have to go to your Shorts and then select which one you want to edit the thumbnail and then tap on the three dots. Then tap on Edit, and then from here, what we're gonna have to do is simply tap on the pen icon on the thumbnail. Now here, what we're gonna have to do is simply choose a frame. So we can only change to a frame from the video. Now, what I recommend you to do is to add your actual thumbnail as a single frame at the end of your short to use it, because you won't be able to upload a thumbnail from your gallery. You can also tap on the text. So if you want, you can add your text here. So you can change the fonts, you can change the colors, the size, etc. And then you can save it like this.